This one looks nice. SPF transceiver. So what I'm seeing here, we have a gold pin board in here. I'm going to try to crack it open, see what else is inside here, which I'm guessing is just the board itself. Getting there. There you go. So we have some very nice gold in here. So we got this pin board. It's tiny, but look at all that gold. I'm not even sure. That could be unplated. It's a diode. Usually diodes, from my understanding, are not plated. So this guy here, this might be a nice hunk of gold here. I could be very wrong also, but there's some nice gold material here for sure. So great for the guys who keep the gold-plated stuff to extract the gold and stuff using the different methods available online. So yeah, look at that. So we got a bunch. Get more focused here. So we got gold here. We got gold here. So we got two diodes. Nice, tiny board, but very nice. Put this on the side. I'd put this as high grade or a peripheral board or something like that. I'll figure it out later, but I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference because it's tiny.